Okay, what we're doing today here is we're cutting our styrofoam. We're shaping it up so we can make a couple pontoons for a one-man pontoon boat. I got the idea from when I looked online. I've seen a lot of those inflatable one-man pontoon boats. They're nice, but they're expensive and they're a little on the small side. And usually I'll just use a cheap float tube just to get in the water, but it's still a little chilly out and I want to fish. I've been watching some videos from Fishing with Joe on YouTube. He fishes here locally in Columbus and all over Ohio. He's got a nice show. He's got some decent sponsors, and if I was you, I'd really have a look at him. What I'm trying to put together here is something that's going to allow me to be up out of the water, but it's also going to be shallow to get in some of these creeks. I can take it to Buckeye Lake, Big Walnut, maybe Alum Creek, Deer Creek. But I can hit some of these little creeks and streams that have the shallows. I looked online. I went to a website called unifoam.com, and they have a dot calendar. Great sounds of the ghetto. We'll wait for this guy who's not going to have any hearing later in his life to look at his wife and say, "Huh?" Maybe he'll be lucky. I put in the dimensions of the float, and according to their calculator for the float calculator, it will hold close to 700 pounds. That to me is nice because I'm going to put a trolling motor, a metal frame, a deck, a seat, me, and a nice deep cycle battery. So when it's all said and done, it's probably going to see about 450 pounds. So hopefully it only drafts a couple inches of water, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. What I got here is my hot wire foam cutter that I made, and you'll see this in another video, short video that I put together. Just basically giving a shout out to Blakewell66. That man's man's a mad scientist disguised as a redneck. I kind of like him. So what we're done here is I'm just progressively cutting, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done.